Centralize asset data with FTMaintenance Select asset management software. FTMaintenance Select tracks your equipment and facility assets, allowing you to easily identify what assets you have, where they are located, and how they're maintained. Asset records store comprehensive information, including critical details about the asset, user manuals, pictures, other types of attachments, and meter readings. Maximize equipment performance and increase asset life by creating a maintenance plan for each of your assets. Flexible calendar and runtime-based recurrence options allow you to optimize preventive maintenance schedules to maximize asset reliability. And access to historical work orders equips technicians with valuable information for troubleshooting asset failures. The FTMaintenance Select mobile app allows you to use a barcode scan to add assets to work orders, update an asset's status and location, and log meter readings. Maintain a complete view of your assets with FTMaintenance Select. Request your demo today.